Hi there, in this video I would like to show you our working process, starting from selling the collection, then making pre-production samples, checking them, having it in mass production, and then quality control. Our usual selling process is either we show the customers what we already have and our collections, or they give us what they like us to produce. In case of this collection, customer picked a very similar collection, but we could not sell it to him because we were already selling it to the same market. So the challenge we had is that we needed to remake this collection to keep the original DNA but make it different enough so there is no conflict of interest at the market. And this is how we started.
Let's start and let's go to check out the sample. First of all, we are improving the slat system. We are changing the slats to the better slats. We are making holes here so the customer can screw it, it will be stronger. Also, we're adding this block everywhere. This is the king size bed. For the king size bed, we need 2 metal support bars in the middle, not just one, for the better strength. For the queen size, you can definitely do that. Another thing, what we're changing here, we're adding the support bar. Here we are making 2 of them. Then this central support will go in the middle. And like I said before, we're adding 2 metal support bars here. And this will go down here, so all the pressure will go down to the floor.
They make the leg piece for the sample. It's very short. This will be here and here is strong. Now they make it longer, so you can see the legs is not straight. They have the angle for the legs.
So how's it now?
So if like I think this one will go better than the legs they are doing.
So it's not on the angle?
Yeah.
And this one will be more on the angle.
More the angle.
This is our original color panel which we are applying for this collection, and they didn't want to use our finishing supplier because of the prices or some other things, so we told them, yeah, we can't dictate the factories what suppliers to use as long as they can match our requirement. So the color panels they did is pretty much the same, so we already approved the color.
We had a similar collection, and this is actually the sample from that collection. And it's a light color, and we started with changing the color. It's also a light color, but if you put it next to each other, it looks quite different. Then the thing with the original collection, the main feature was this rattan. So we needed to keep that fake rattan, it's not natural by the way, on the drawers, and also it's the same handle. Everything else in this collection is different, and when we put it next to each other, it's not going to look the same. So let's go through the details. Our customer wanted us to make this collection look chunky, so the second thing we needed to change is the profile. If you look at it from here and you look at the profile, it makes it look chunky. Then we have this bevel edge, and with that bevel edge we can see the side of the drawers, which is a very different feature to the original collection. You can see it here in comparison when I put it next to each other. The profile here looks quite different to profile here. Then the next thing are the legs. The legs here are going totally in a different direction. They're going in a horizontal way, and the legs here, they're going in diagonal way. Plus they are different size and a totally different shape. Then, for instance, this tall boy have a very unusual way on how we put the drawers. Usually these two separate drawers are always on the top. With this tall boy we decided to put it on the second layer, which makes this product look unusual. This feature with the Rattan is popular now. However, we and our customer don't know how long it's going to last. Therefore, we decided not to put big panels of the Rattan everywhere, just in case if the trend changes, and we just decided to keep the small panel here, not that big, and only on the top drawers, not on the bottom drawers. So even if the trend goes a little bit left or right, it's still okay to have this feature. And the same thing here on the dresser, same as any other item, we are keeping the Rattan feature only on the top. Also, to make the product look a little bit unusual, we decided to put 3 drawers on the top in a row, and the bottom drawers same as the original way. Original way where we put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but here we made it look a little bit different. This bed doesn't have any Rattan features at all, for the reason that if the trend with the Rattan changes, this bedroom still can be sold. And the most importantly, guys, that original collection does not have bedroom at all, so there cannot be any conflict of interest. Guys, if you're in furniture industry, subscribe to this channel, click like, leave some comments below, let me know what you think about these changes in this collection and about our work in general, and I'll see you in the next videos.